Alright, so this is continuing after video number 3. We have our cat, we have our robot, we have our ball. Click the green flag and the robot chases the ball. The cat catches the ball, it pops and generates somewhere else, and the angles that the ball is traveling in is predetermined by that variable we uploaded. So we're going to make a couple more changes, a couple more additions here. First thing we're going to do is to our cat. So choose the cat sprite and make sure you are programming your cat. If you scroll up, you can see that in the programming as well. So make sure that we're on our cat. What we're going to do is, first of all, make our sizes be consistent. So when the arrow is checked, or when the flag is checked, we're going to change that cat down to 50% of its size as well. And then we're going to add a little bit of a challenge by making the robot actually be deadly. It'll shut down the program if the robot catches up to the cat. The way we do that is add to this forever. We're not going to change the forever. We're not going to change the go to mouse pointer. But after that, we're going to add in an if-then statement. So that if-then statement gets attached after mouse pointer. And if sensing, we're going to grab this touching sensor and just add that right to that hexagon, drag it up until that turns white in color. And if touching the robot, then we're going to have a sound. We're going to play the sound meow because the cat got caught. And the other thing that's going to happen is that is going to stop all. So when that happens, the event in the control is it will stop all. So now what we've got is, in this chain, green flag gets clicked, the size of the cat changes to match the size of the robot. We're still controlling it with the mouse pointer, but if the cat touches the robot, it will meow and it will stop everything. We can choose to stop this script, we can choose to choose other scripts in Sprite, or we can shut down everything, which means the ball will stop, the robot will stop, and the cat will stop. So if I run that, notice that the robot or the cat shrinks down. I can still catch the ball. The ball still makes that pop noise, but if I let the robot catch me, not only do I get that meow sound, but the robot and the ball, everything stops, and I can no longer control the cat. I can undo that by clicking the green flag again, and that will get everything going once again. Also going to, in this video, add a scorekeeper. So make it a little bit more like an actual game. Every time the cat catches the ball, we're going to have a score show up. So we do that by choosing the variables option. We're going to make a variable. This variable is going to be cat score. And we're going to leave for all sprites checked. We could leave it for this sprite only, but we actually want to put it in the ball programming. So we're going to leave it for all sprites. If we click OK, then you'll notice that it does show up. I can make it go away by unchecking that box, but I want that score to be visible. And you can position that score pretty much anywhere you want it to be in the game board. Now, as I did mention, we're going to put this in the balls programming. So come down here and click on ball. And we're going to add it to this touching cat script. So when the green flag is clicked, we are going to set the score to 0 first. That'll reset our score every time we play the game. Wait until it touches the cat, and we're going to actually change the cat score by 1. So after the ball touches the cat, or the cat touches the ball, it'll change that score by 1. Everything else stays the same. It makes that pop. And what you should notice is when I click play, if I'm good enough to catch the ball, you should see this score start increasing every time. So, and then if I let the robot catch, we get the meow, it shuts it down. I got 5 that time. If I click the green flag again, it resets that score back to 0, and that's how you can play for a high score.